Hello, hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this retirement card for a nursery teacher. I've got 7 by 7 inches card blank and using per lesson card, I've got 6 and 3/4 by 6 and 3/4 of an inch. Now I'm going to assemble it at the front of the card, and to make this card even more special, I'm going to use white card which is embossed, and I created 6.5 by 6.5 square. Again, I'm going to use my liquid glue just to make sure I do have time to maneuver the elements. And when this is ready, then you can decide how do you want to decorate this project. And as it is retirement card, I thought white on white works really well. But the person loves flowers, so I die cut quite a lot of them, which you're going to see them in a moment. Here is a square I die cut using very beautiful cutting die with that edge. And now you can see all the flowers I die cut off camera, and I use 3 distress oxide inks to add the color. And I use zigzag 1 and 2 cutting die sets from Tat Red Lace. They've got lots of flowers here. And I also use beautiful card making magic oval box collection to die cut the leaves as well, which you're going to see them in a moment. So here I'm going to use pink, white, yellow, and orange because the person, the nursery teacher, absolutely loves flowers and gardening. However, she hates purple. And I was supposed to create something with flowers, and I really wanted to make it super special, especially for her. And that white on white, I think it really works with retirement card. If you agree with me, please let me know in the comments down below. Also wonder, have you ever created a retirement card? And if so, who was it for? Because I like to personalize my projects as much as I can. So here I created all those flowers and I tried to add some dimension to them as well. And I think it is such a perfect gift, especially for retirement. So now it will be time to show you those 3 distress oxidings, and it was Kish Flamingo, ripe parmesan, and mustard seed. Super quick to add the colors. And now I die cut using per lesson cut that element that will go in the middle. And again, that white on white really makes a difference, especially when you mix and match proper pale white, let's say, and pearlescent as well. And if you add a little bit of embossing, that makes it even more special. Here are the letters for a sentiment, and I use Craft a New Design cutting dice. As you can see, I use the alphabet here and exclamation marks as well. And my trick to add those letters is to use the curve on the element I already adhered, and I'm going to start with the middle letter first, and then I'm going to go to the right hand side and then left hand side. If you want, you can also use a pickup tool as well. However, here I wasn't very successful. That's why I decided to use my fingers instead. And I'm going to repeat the process with the word that goes above. I'm going to start with the middle letter first, but this time I'm going to go to the left and then to the right hand side. Have you ever used that trick with adhering the letters on your cards? Please let me know in the comments down below. A few days ago, I showed you how to create pencil-shaped cards without any cutting dice for Teacher's Day. And today I've got a special card for a nursery teacher. Here are also some leaves I die cut, and I think they will add so much interest to the whole project. Because when I think about garden, I can see lots of bushes and leaves as well. So I thought that would be such a good idea. And I really wanted to keep this card as subtle as I can. And if I was successful, please let me know in the comments down below. And I wonder, what do you think about this color combo for retirement card for a nursery teacher. If you like it, that would be amazing if you can leave a comment. So here, as you can see, I'm adding tiny bit of glue on all the leaves because with that glue, which is a bookbinding glue, you don't really need a lot. Tiny bit is enough because when it dries clear and it's going to adhere all the elements forever. So when this is ready, I thought something is missing, especially in the element that we've got in the middle of the card. And I did have a couple of flowers left over, so I thought it would be such a good idea to add them where the sentiment is, just to make it even more special. And that's what I'm going to do in a moment. So my leaves are nearly completed. As you can see, there is a range of them, shapes and sizes. And that's what I really like about this card. Here are the white flowers. I'm also starting in the middle first, so then I will know exactly how much space I've got. And when they are all adhered, then it is time for the best thing ever, which is probably, we need to add a little bit of sparkle. And with so many flowers, you can choose to use some colorful pearls or gems, or white or pearlescent gems or pearls. And here, I decided to go with white ones. And to be honest, I absolutely love how this card turned out. If you like it as well, please let me know in the comments down below. And there is plenty of space to write your message inside, and the card stands proudly on the flat surface. I really wanted to create a bigger card because all the students are going to sign it. Thank you so much for watching, spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I really hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!